share, and then to subscribe as well. My name is Daniel Hariko, and I'll be your tutor for today. So we'll continue the series on 2022 Jamb Mathematics question. Alright, so question number 10. Integrate x squared minus square root of x all over x with respect to x. So we are integrating this with respect to x. Don't forget, in integration, what we do, for example, if we want to integrate x squared, it will be x squared, we will add 1 all over the total number, which is 3. So this becomes x raised to power 3 over 3. That's what we do for integration. All right, so we're going to do this, but before we do this for this question, let's simplify this a little bit. So to simplify this, we're going to say x squared over x, all right, minus x. Now square root is still raised to power 1 over 2. It's still the same thing, all over x, of which if you take the like term, if you take the LCM x, it will give you back this. So this is how we simplify this. And then from the law of indices, this becomes x raised to power 2 minus 1. That's the law of indices. This is 1, and then when it goes up, it becomes minus x raised to power 1 over 2, okay, minus 1. All right, so this becomes x raised to power 1 minus x raised to power minus 1 over 2. So now we can integrate x raised to power 1 minus x raised to power minus 1 over 2. Okay, following what I said earlier, so this becomes x raised to power 1 plus 1 all over 2 minus x raised to power minus 1 over 2 plus 1 all over. So this is minus half plus 1. It is half. All right, so from here we have x raised to power 2 all over 2 minus x. This becomes 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. All right, so if you do this, this becomes x squared over 2 minus 2x raised to power 1 over 2, and then we have a constant plus c, of which this can be written as 1 over 2 x squared minus 2 square root of x plus c, and that's your answer. Question 11. Find the value of x